Today I'm going to be spending a week in La Palma and travelling across this volcanic island. 11 locations in 7 days. So let's start today's video. Santa Cruz de La Palma is home to 16,000 people and is east of the island. It dates back to the 1500s when Alonso Fernandez de Lugo first discovered the island, a Spanish explorer. It is also the capital city and home to some very beautiful buildings. Need to cool off? Then this next stop is for you. Charco Azul is located in the northeast of the island and is home to some of the best natural sea pools in La Palma. With its 3 natural pools, it does not disappoint. You also have a coffee shop if you're looking to have a small bite. One of the best engineering feats of the island can be seen on the northeast, where you can find Puerta de los Tilos, or a single arch bridge that connects Los Pedro and Los Sauces. Construction started in 1998 and was opened to the public in 2004. It was built to replace the narrow old roads that could not keep up with high traffic demands. At its highest point, the single arch bridge stands at a staggering 150 meters above sea level. We begin our journey about 3 kilometers from El Paso at the site of the 2021 eruption that happened on the 19th of September. The eruption started on the 11th when earthquakes could be felt across the island. It escalated from there until it erupted and sent lava flowing down around 7 kilometers, affecting regions such as El Paso and covered an area of 3,066 acres and destroyed over 2,800 buildings. This all would have taken place over a span of 3 months, ending on December 13th, 85 days later after the initial eruption. Next up, we have one of the most unique villages in the world, located on the northwest of La Palma. This village will get your adrenaline pumping because the road down to the village is extremely steep, more than a 30-degree steepness. Apart from that, the village is very stunning with waves crashing into the rocks and bright, colourful buildings inside of the cave. if you're looking to have a cup of coffee, this next location definitely should be on your bucket list. Mirador El Time is a small coffee shop yet again on the northwest of the island and has some amazing views. Towering 600 meters above sea level, you get some brilliant views of Los Llanos across the steep valley. If you're looking for some more natural pools, then another spot is La Faena. You can find 3 natural pools and you can also experience some amazing waves crashing onto the rocks. La Faena is located on the north coast of the island. The best viewpoint in La Palma can be found on its tallest mountain. Its tallest mountain is 2,426 meters or 7,959 feet. So looking down, you can see the sea of clouds below you. Near the top you can also find some of the most modern telescopes in the world. Click the bottom video for a similar video to this video, click the top video to watch a recommended video for you, and click the top left circle to subscribe to me. Thanks!